Okay, I want to show you how you can make a link to your page, or a link on your page. So I want to create, those blue underlines that allow when people click on it for it to hyperlink out to a different web page. So to do that, there's a couple ways you can do that. One is you can go in there and type in the code, the HTML code that represents a link, and then you can set your FTP and send it over. But that gets really, really complicated, and you probably didn't even understand what I just said. And that's good, because what I want to show you is a piece of technology that will allow you to do all of this directly on the screen without you having to mess with any type of code. The technology is called Ambit Update, and basically Ambit Update is going to allow you to just point, click, choose your link, and be done. And that's just the tip of the iceberg of what it can do. So let's jump in. Ambit Update gives you this button where you can basically just browse to the page where you want to create a link, and let's go ahead and make it on the About Us page. We'll click the Edit This Page button, and once we click that button, we're given an editor where we can just type on the screen. And that makes it really, really easy to get in and make changes to your website. So let's go ahead and add a link to our page. So let's just take some sample text. In fact, let's go ahead and say, here is an example of a hyperlink. And now let's highlight that and say we want to make this a hyperlink. Okay, so now once we've clicked this, we can now say we want that link to hyperlink out to, and let's say we want to hyperlink it out to youtube.com. Alright, then I just hit enter, and you'll see that I can make this hyperlink. You'll see that it's a hyperlink now. So let me go over to the actual website now. In fact, let's go ahead and publish these changes live for the world to see what we've done. Now you'll notice that we didn't have to mess with any codes or anything complex like that. All we did is we went in, clicked the button, told it where we wanted to go, and that's it. Now let's make it live. So I click this publish button, and instantly it goes and publishes it live to the website. And now I can just show that, look, when I click here, it heads us over to youtube.com. Very, very simple to add a link to your website. So if you liked what you saw and you want to get access to Ambit Update on your website so that you can add hyperlinks or create pictures, videos, do anything that you would like on your website without having to rely on a webmaster or to fight up with complex HTML codes and all this stuff, I invite you to give Ambit Update a try. It's a very, very easy, zero technology, zero learning way to edit your site yourself. So if you've ever typed a letter or created an email, you already have the skills to get in and make all kinds of changes to your website. Now another thing with Ambit Update is if you ever get stuck or you have any questions, just click on this questions button, and then there's a real live professional webmaster that will help you and answer any questions, and will even do changes for you if you ask them to. So that is Ambit Update. So to get Ambit Update working with your website, all you got to do is just go to ambitupdate.com/try it now. Once you do that, you just type in your website, you click that, and you're signed up. You can get in, you can make the changes, the create links, do whatever you want to do. And once you tell it how to talk to your website, when you hit that publish button, any change you make is going to be made live to your website the moment you hit that publish button. And that is Ambit Update.